made some banging pork chops. I don't know what kind of sauce he used. I don't know what he did, but he put some mushrooms in that thing. He let that thing just marinate and just sit in there with just like regular pork chops. I know that was so good.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Let me talk my shit.
Yeah.
What's going on, J Squad, Plum Squad? It's your girl J, you already know. Welcome back to J Fitness Vibes, where there's a whole lot of great vibes going on, big period, you guys. So, just like I told you on last video, why did my daddy have just a cup of ice in the refrigerator? I don't know. Why did I just ruin my cute ass outfit? I don't know. Listen here, Linda. It's cold. All right, and I'm back, and I'm dry. Before we get into this video, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, share this video. I know you're like, Jay, you are not in workout clothes, baby. And I'm not. If you paid attention to my last video, I'm gonna be doing something new. I'm gonna start this as like a fitness vlog, but not just like vlogging and working out. No, anything that gotta do with my eatery, my just outgoing activities, working out, anything that has to do like with health and fitness is gonna be on this channel. I woke up today at 8:53. I had an undercut appointment with the barbershop at 9 o'clock. Late, okay? Late. Then when I got back here, you know, it was kind of like, Jay, you're hungry, but I didn't really feel like making anything to eat. And breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I need you to know that. So I ate a banana. And here it is, 3:09, and I probably should have ate 2 more times in between that. At least 1 more time, right? But I'm warming up a plate because I have to go fix my tire. But you would have known that if you also watch the vlog on my main YouTube channel, which is J VibZ. So I'm making me some lunch to literally take and go. They got a lid on the top so I can take it with me on the go. And yeah, my tire's going flat, so I'm about to go up the street and go get it plugged in. But I ain't going nowhere unless I get some food in my system, because I'm getting a little hangry, I'm getting a little feisty, I'm getting a little, you know what I'm saying, a little irritated. So I gotta go fix that so I can be back to my normal self. And yeah, I wanna show you what I'm eating. Let me check the temperature. Gotta take your retainer out. You would think I would've learned my lesson by wrapping my retainer in tissue, because it's usually how I throw it away. But I call myself being more responsible. It looks hot. That meat gotta be hot. All right, so I'm having leftovers ×2. Yeah, so my dad one day made some banging pork chops. I don't know what kind of sauce he used. I don't know what he did, but he put some mushrooms in that thing. He let that thing just marinate and just sit in there with just like regular pork chops. I know that was so good. And he on the side, some lima beans and some mashed potatoes. So on this side, after having leftovers and then not being able to finish all my leftovers, I got my leftover mashed potatoes and lima beans. And then I added an extra scoop of mashed potatoes. And then this gotta be a cube steak that he let sit in the crock pot with some gravy. That's the new leftovers. With some rice and some peas, girl. This is lunch. So yummy. I am gonna pack this. I'm not gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this at the place that I'm going to, because I refuse to be hungry sitting there. So yeah, if you wanna see me eat it on up, make sure you go look at my vlog on J VibZ. I love you guys so much. See you later.
You know the vibes. It's Jay.
It's coming off anyway, because I'm getting 4 tires. I'm getting you 4 tires.
No, well, maybe I can just take that little cushion thing out of the back and just put the tire in the back, since I didn't have a spare anyway.
You just have a tire with no rim, because now you get a flat, you have a brand new tire that's on the rim, but don't worry about it, it's done.
Alright, I'll see you later.
I'm like about to go now.
Well, I'm just in the parking lot about to do a video. Alright. Hi you guys. So let me tell you something about that food. It was so good. And if you didn't see me eat it, make sure you're subscribed to VibZ. I tore that food up. Do you hear me? I'm feeling like going to the gym tonight, and I've been thinking and contemplating, and I can't be without it. Give me a second. Steve is calling me. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Today you did what you thought you had to do was best?
Yes, I did.
Huh? I
said yes, I did.
Yeah, you did what you thought was best. I just want to give you some advice. Autumn coffee you over. You understand that mechanic and car dealer coffee you over. So if that was never your intention, whenever you take your car someplace, if it wasn't your intention to get something done, you don't need it done, then don't get it done. Because they can tell you anything in the world, okay?
Understand that.
Just to get over on you and to make money off of you. And they probably seen you somebody to make money off of. So, like I said, you did what you had to do, but don't make rash decisions at a mechanic. They'll lie to you to get your money.
Okay, right. I understand.
Alright.
Bye. If you didn't hear the first part of that conversation between me and my dad, make sure you subscribe to VibZ because he's on there. For real. But I accept my dad's life lesson. It doesn't happen often that he has to do that every now and then. When I was younger, oh my God, I got all of them. But back to what I was saying. So, I don't think I can be without a gym. I'm trying to gain weight. Within gaining weight, not only am I supposed to eat right, I'm supposed to work out, lift weights, right? And I was in the gym, what was that, like 2 days ago, 3 days ago? I was actually in the gym a few days ago, but I had some time before I edited that video and posted it. So my day 4 of my 30-day challenge, 30 days, 30 minutes, I'm thinking about going to the gym tonight. And my dad, at first I was with the Planet Fitness membership, wasn't using it like that. Went away with it. My dad got a YMCA membership because my little sister was in town staying with us. She never wanted to go to the Y. He ain't got no time to go. I was going but not going like I was supposed to be going. So he went away with the membership. So I think I'm gonna just go back to Planet Fitness, go back working out, doing my challenges and stuff like that. So this vlog is still on and going. I have already ended my vlog for VibZ. So with that being said, we're gonna work out. Of course, we're gonna eat way more. It's only 4:54. I'm gonna be hungry. After this video I'm about to do for the VibZ, make sure you're subscribed. I'm gonna be hungry. So I love you guys, and I'll see you next meal or next workout. Probably a meal before workout, probably about 2 meals before workout. But what's got me so motivated is because I did like a leg day / ab day, and I did like 1 workout to cater to my arms. I'm such a punk when it comes to working out my arms. No, I actually did like 2 workouts for my arms. But all in all, I want to say it's something about that feeling of just waking up and being sore. It just is motivating. It makes me want to go back to the gym. So with that being said, that's what your girl is doing. But in the meantime, between time, I'm about to record this video for the VibZ. Get that on and popping. I see you there.
6.5 hours later.
What's going on, you guys? So I took a nap. If you follow me on the VibZ channel, you'll find out why. But it's 3:45 in the morning. I literally been up for like a past hour and some change. I woke up, I was freaking starving. This is what we're eating. Mashed potatoes, baked pork chops with mushrooms and some type of sauce. Peas. Yeah, I'm actually up doing some banner work, some edits. And I never made it to the gym yesterday, so I might go to the gym today, like later today. I have to work this afternoon, so as far as like me eating as many times in the day that I would like to, it's not gonna happen. And the gym, it just all depends on what I get done at home. So I I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, keep you updated. I'm probably gonna end this vlog now, just because, like, yeah, I don't want this to be like a 2-day vlog. So I hope that you enjoyed this, like I said, it's like just an in and out, or like this back and forth vlogging that I'm doing. I don't even know how to really like label it. I'm trying to whisper because my dad is asleep and it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. He has to go to work in probably like 3, maybe 2 hours. So I'm about to smash because I'm starving. You're probably gonna see me eat, don't you? Because you didn't get to see me eat the other meal. Okay, I got you. Hold on.
Hey, Eddie.
Yeah.
Let me talk my shit.